Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on business statistics. We're just going to do a short little one here, and we're going to look at three very simple stats numbers that are often used: mean, median, and mode. Alright, you've probably heard of some of these back in your high school courses, but we're going to review them. Mean, that is what everyone interprets as an average. All you're going to do to calculate your mean is you're going to add up all the numbers in your data, and then you are going to divide it by the number of data items. So in this case, we're going to take 16,500 plus 15,000 plus 12,000 plus 48,900 and divide that by 4 items. So our mean is going to equal all of this divided by 4, which is 23,100. Okay, median. What is a median? The median is the middle value of each of the data items. So what you're going to do first is rearrange each pieces of the data and from lowest to highest. So you would start, and we look at 12,000 as the lowest. That's followed by 15, by 16,500, and the highest is 48,900. So the middle two numbers, if I was to write this all down again, first, second, third, and fourth, you're going to see that 15,000 and 16,500 are your middle two numbers. What we do to compute the median, we have to find the midpoint of these two numbers. So we take 15,000 and we're going to add to that 16,500, and dividing by 2, we divide the sum here by 2. We are going to get the midpoint between 15 and 16,500. And by that, we see the midpoint is 15,750. You can check that over just by looking. So 750 higher, 750 lower, and yes, the median is 15,750, the midpoint. What is a mode? This is probably the easiest question of all of them to solve for, because the mode is simply that number that most frequently appears in the series of data items. So 16,000, 15,000, 12,500, 48,900. In this case, there is no number that repeats itself, so there is no mode for this set of data. However, if we had included in here a few more numbers, like say 15,000, maybe 16,300, maybe 15,250, maybe another 15,000. Let's say all of these together were the numbers in my data pool. All of those together. Then the mode would be, let's see which one repeats most often. 15,000 repeats 3 times. The mode would then be 15,000. But as it stands with just these 4, there is no repeating number, so there is no mode available. And that's it for this very basic little section on business statistics.